I'm really impressed with the work coming out of our students. This senior project is outstanding. The type of work is all over the board in content and media, and some of the best I've ever seen.
My senior project discusses the habitat fragmentation in the Florida community. I had never worked in 3D anything before, so doing this was really interesting and opened me up to a lot of new ideas and ways to express myself.
It was basically about some old past trauma that I've been dealing with in my life, about depression and just bad habits that I was doing for a while to try to get happiness. Once I started doing this, it actually helped become more of a therapeutic kind of release for me, and I'm in a much better place in my life now.
There's a specific type of ADHD, it's called rejection sensitivity dysphoria, and it's basically the instant reaction of becoming angry whenever you feel that you're rejected. So the whole project is the beginning stages of feeling completely normal, and then what it does to your emotions and how you begin to fall apart.
This is actually probably the proudest I've ever been to make a piece of art and show it for everyone to see, so I'm very happy that I got to do that here at FGCU.